Hi, my name is Juan David Sarmiento Pulido, but my close people says my dad. I am 33 years old and live in Madrid, Cundinamarca. I am the work of Ramo. I'm live with my wife, with my little baby and my son. In my work, I'm high, the difficult different skills, but usually I'm working on the night of on the I am on honest people. My routine is small when and I do to enter in wake up at 7 spots. I take and shower, brush it my teeth, uh, jet reads and some white and the mirror of the night in and the lunch uh, laughter and life my uh, work and returns to my house and sleep all the day unit and enter again. I choose the free smash the conference in and my people and on there and illusions, suitings and elegant dress code, the talking and the plea some summary to motherfuck is and the company. Thank you very much.